In this video, I'm going to be explaining how to make a comment in Python. But first, what is a comment? Well, if I create the variable x is equal to 5 and then I print x, when I run this program, it should just print 5. But what if I don't want it to print x, but I do want to leave this in? Well, all you have to do is use a number sign or a hashtag. Now, when I run the program again, it actually won't print anything really besides obviously the time it finished in, but that just depends on your IDE. It didn't print X though. And that's because I commented this out. Comments are pretty much parts of code that are just disregarded when the program runs. And so your teacher might ask you to comment on your code, right? Explain what's going on in your code. So this is how you can really do it. You can just do hashtag or number sign assigning 5 to variable x. And so now when I run this, nothing happens really in the terminal. But the thing is that if I remove this comment and run it, there's going to be a syntax error because obviously this isn't proper code. If you have any questions on this, feel free to leave it down in the comments. Or if you want to suggest a video, or if you're confused on any topic, let us know in the comments as well.